आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Maria is an assembly line supervisor at a plant that packages boxes of chocolates. Each week, Maria reviews the production rate for the three teams that work on her assembly line. According to the bar graph, which team has the highest overall production for week 20? So this is the bar graph. As you can see in the legend which is provided over here, the first one is team A, the striped one, the white one is team B, and the dark one is team C. So you have I have taken a tentative value of all the bar charts that are given over here in accordance to the length which is given over here. So this is 4.7, A has 4.7, B has 4.8, and C has 4.9 on Monday. Similarly on Tuesday, A 3.5, B 4.8, and C 4.3. On Wednesday, it is A 3.8, B 4, and C 4.2. On Thursday, it is 4, A is 4, B is 3.8, and C is 4.2. And on Friday, A is 3.5, B and C both are 4. This is the production rate per day of the 3 units. So I have calculated all of them out here: 4.7, 3.5, 3.8, 4, and 3.5 for A. For B, it is 4.8, 4.8, 4, 3.8, and 4. Okay, and for C, it is 4.9, 4.3, 4.2, 4.2, and 4. And so on adding up the values, we get C, which is the highest qualifier, which is the highest producer of the three of the boxes, and so C becomes our answer, team C. The option D is also given, which says team A and team B has the same high production rate. Because we have assumed the values, we have approximated the values. If it would have said team B and team C produce the same, so we could have ticked that because they are almost the same, but A and B have a considerable difference, so we cannot consider that. However, if it would have been B and C, we would have considered it. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।